Founded in 2009, MORN Group Limited is a professional lift equipment manufacturer that provides custom cargo lifting solutions and is also the biggest producer of aerial work platforms in northern China. Our products covers cargo lifts, scissor lift tables, boom lifts, scissor lifts, car lifts, which are widely applied in the construction, factory, warehouse, commercial and industrial fields, and are exported to more than 80 countries and regions, including the high-end markets in the United States, Germany, and Japan. MORN Group Limited has more than 8,000 square meters of plant and modern office system. Thanks to the concerted effort of our experienced technicians and professional pre-sales and after-sales staff, we have been able to double our growth rate year by year. Product quality and users' experience are the first priority in our business. We strive to make every customer's budget employ the maximum value. Today, we have successfully applied for several national patents and filled many gaps in the domestic market. This is how we laid a strong foundation for a better future. Our ultimate goal is to create, innovate, and maintain our industry leadership in the lift industry, and help every customer find the best lifting solution with their budgets. Sincerely, MORN welcomes every customer to our office and factory, looking and operating our lift equipment personally. Looking forward to building a cooperative relationship with you.